Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort A to Z in Google Sheets to keep your data organized and professional, whether you're managing a simple list or a massive database. First, sort a single column. If you have a standalone list of names or items and want to alphabetize them instantly, use the column header shortcut. Hover your mouse over the column letter, like A or B, at the very top. Click the small drop-down arrow that appears. Select Sort Sheet A to Z. Be careful, this method sorts the entire sheet based on that one column. If you have data in other columns that needs to stay aligned with your list, use step 2 instead. Next, sort a specific range. To sort a specific group of cells without moving everything else on your sheet, you'll want to define a range. Highlight the specific cells you want to organize. Then go to the top menu and click Data, then select Sort Range. Choose Advanced Range Sorting options. Check the box that says Data has Header Row if your list has a title at the top. This ensures your header stays at the top while everything underneath it is alphabetized from A to Z. Lastly, freeze your header row. Before you sort, you often want to make sure your titles, like name or date, don't get mixed into the alphabetized list. Hover your mouse over the thick gray bar in the top left corner where the blank square meets the row numbers. Click and drag that bar down below your first row. This freezes the row. Now, when you perform a quick sort from step 1, Google Sheets will recognize that the top row is a label and will only sort the data beneath it. And that's pretty much it. To sort A to Z in 2026, you can either click the drop-down arrow on a column header for a quick sort or use Data, Sort Range for more control. Just remember to freeze your header row first so your titles don't end up in the middle of your alphabetized data. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.